Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Valorant stuck at loading screen. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Run app on your PC either by searching for it or by pressing the Windows plus R keys on your keyboard. After that, type in %local app data % and give it a go. Now, a new window will open up. Inside it, locate the Valorant folder, and once you find it, delete it. After that, look for Riot Games in the list and open it up. Now, delete the Valorant folder again and don't worry about it, because these are all cache folders. Once done, navigate to the installation directory of Valorant game. You just need to locate the Riot Games folder, then access Valorant, then live, and then delete these two text files. After these are deleted, try playing the game and check if the problem is solved or not. If it isn't, then close it completely and try installing a fresh version. For that, open the search menu and search for Add or Remove Programs. Now open this directory and then search for Valorant inside it. Once you find it, click on the three dots icon and uninstall it. After that, install a fresh version from the official website and open the search menu again. This time, search for Graphics Settings and then open this up. Inside it, click on the Browse button and locate the Valorant app. Once you find it, open it up and then change its priority to Performance. After that's done, try running the game and your problem will be solved. So that's basically how you can fix Valorant stuck at loading screen. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.